True's health safety timers provide extra protection for market operators. HST models feature an electronic lock connected to the temperature control. If temperatures inside reach unsafe thresholds, the cooler automatically locks until the contents can be evaluated, preventing the sale of potentially spoiled food or beverage. Use the provided key to open the door during an active HST alarm. The door can also be unlocked using the temperature control display. Units can be programmed to automatically lock on loss of power thanks to battery backup. If temperatures remain within safe margins, the cooler will automatically unlock when power is restored. The low-profile integrated lock design allows HST models to be built in or placed flush against other cabinets. True's health safety timer products are ideal for micro markets and kiosks, protecting you from selling potentially unsafe foods.